Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Welcome my students. Today we are going to deal with Unit 13 grammar. Unit 13 is talking about comparison. Comparison, what does it mean comparison? If I say Ahmed is 1.5 centimeter. Ali is 1.8 centimeter. If I want to make comparison between Ahmed and Ali, what can I say? I can say Ali is what? Taller than what? Taller than Ahmed. Now I made a comparison between Ali and Ahmed. In another sentence, another way, I can say Ahmed is what? Ahmed is shorter than Ahmed is shorter than Ali. That's what we call comparison. Between two things, between two people, between two cars, anything. To make comparison, we have short adjectives and long adjectives. Yes? Let's start with short adjectives. Short adjectives like what? Like tall, big, small, yes, good, fat, and so on. All these are short adjectives. Another way you can say have one sound. Tall, big, small, good, fat. These are short adjectives. How can I use these adjectives to make comparison? Yes. Look at this example. Ahmed is younger than his brother. Now I used what? I used younger. And what? After younger I need than. So I used the adjective young. And what? And added what? ER. And added ER. Then I use what? I use than. So it became what? Ahmed is younger than his brother. Now look at another example. Yes, Jeddah is hotter than Abha. Jeddah is hotter than Abha. Now again he used what? Hot, the adjective hot, and we used ER. We used after hotter, we need than. Like the previous one, younger what? Younger than. If you look carefully at this adjective hot, yes, what happened to it? You will see double T. Double T. Why? So, if you have a vowel before hot, yes, now I have O before the T. So this adjective, when I add ER, yes, it will become double T and ER. Again, if you have big, B-I-G. You have one vowel here before G, B-I-G. So this adjective will, yes, double G. And then we add E-R. E-R. Yes? Let's look at another example with what? Short adjectives. Yes? Yes, Jeddah is noisier than Abha. Look at this example carefully. Yes, what can you see? Yes, Jeddah is noisier than. Again, ER and than. So what is this adjective? The base of this adjective is what? Is noisy. N-O-I-S. Yes, S-I or S-Y? S-Y, that's noisy. So what happened to noisy? If you have adjective with, yes, with Y, what can you do? Yes, we change y into I. Into I, yes. Like what? Like easy. E-A-S-Y. To make it comparison easier. E-A-S-I-E-R. I-E-R. Yes. Heavy. H-E-A-V-Y. To make it comparison, to use in comparison, heavier. H-E-A-V. Yes, what? I-E-E-R. Now, we talked about what? We talked about short adjectives like tall, big, small, short, which have one syllable, which have adjectives which have one syllable, like tall, short, big, small, easy. Now, let's go to another kind of adjectives, yes? What is it? Yes, long adjectives. Like what long adjectives? Yes, the adjectives which have more than one syllable. Like what? Like expensive. Like interesting, like dangerous. Look at this example. Reading is more interesting than watching. Again, reading is more interesting than watching TV. Yes? What can you see here? Interesting. That's my adjective. What happened to it? Did I add ER? No, we don't need ER, but we need what? More interesting. Again, we keep than. More interesting than. If I have expensive, again, this is long adjectives. Yes, what can I do? I will use more, and here what? More expensive than. Let's look another example using long adjectives. Circus is more dangerous than funfair. Again, we have long adjective here. It's what? It's dangerous. So I don't need ER, but I need what? More before the adjective, and then. More dangerous than. Yes. Another example with long adjectives like what? Yes, my car is less expensive. My car is less expensive than my father's. Here I used what? I used expensive. Yes. And again we use what? Than. So, but this time I used less. Less. So with long adjectives, I may use more or less. And I write the adjective as it is. Then I need what? I need than. More expensive than or less expensive than. That's what we call long adjectives, and how to deal with them in comparison. Let's go to another kind of adjectives. Yes, comparison of equality. Yes, equality. What does mean equality? If some persons have the same tall, the same age, the same height, the same age. Yes, or two cars have the same price. What can I do? What can I say? Yes, look at this example. My new flat is as big as the old one. Yes, where is the adjective here? The adjective is big. So what can you see? As big as. Yes, so I use the adjective between as and as. So what happened to the adjective itself? I don't need anything. As it is, big. Yes, small as, old as. I use the adjective as it is. We don't need, we don't add anything. As big as. My new flat is as big as the old one. Let's look at another example. Yes, I am as tall as my brother. Yes, again he used what? As tall as my brother. Yes, if I am 1.6 and my brother is 1.6 centimeter. Yes, so we have the same height. We have the same height. So I can say as tall as my brother. Yes? Another example. Yes, this red car is as expensive as the blue one. Again, so not just with the small adjectives, not just with the short adjectives, but also with long adjectives: expensive, dangerous, exciting, interesting, difficult. The same idea: as. We don't need anything to add to the adjective. As expensive as means this red car is as expensive as the blue one, means that they have the same price. Yes. Now